day, viewers at home. Welcome back to my channel. This is Comfort Zone channel where we talk about mental health in the most simplified way. My name remains Deborah Bolaji, your favorite mental health nurse. If you are new to this channel, you're welcome, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. All right, today, in continuation of the series we've been having for some time now, I want to talk about, my previous video. If you have not watched them, I've talked about fasting, what are the medications you need to take, and those medications that you must not take when you are fasting. And also I've talked about what fasting is all about and those drugs that you can take that can break your fast. But today I'm going to list out some drugs that you can still take while fasting. So number one on the list is if you are on any suppositories like there's some drugs that you take through the anal, that is through your anus. So drugs like that, you can still take them, it will not break your fast. If you are taking some antibiotics, in my previous video I told you that there's some antibiotics that you cannot take without food, but there are some that you can still take without food. But check in with your physician to know the ones you can take with food or without food. So there's some antibiotics that you can actually take while you're fasting. And if you are using some mouthwash, gargle, if you have some sore throat and they give you some mouthwash to use, or some oral problems that you need to take, use mouthwash, it will not break your fast. So far you didn't swallow it, you didn't take it orally. Then you can actually take some topical creams. There are some drugs that are applied on the skin, directly to the skin. It does not break your fast. So maybe topical creams, ointment for maybe skin infection or some things. You can actually take these drugs. If you're on them, it will not break your fast. There are some patches that are used maybe for pain. You just apply them directly on your skin, so it does not break your fast. You can use them. If you are on some asthmatic drugs, especially inhaler, please let me tell you more about this. For patients who are asthmatic and they have their inhalers, please use it as recommended by a doctor. If you have your inhaler and probably you have an attack, or you feel that you have an attack soon, please don't say you're fasting and you decide not to use the inhaler, that you don't want to break your fast. That is foolishness. If you have your inhaler with you, it does not break your fast. Please use it. And also, if you have some drugs that you're using, eye drops, ear drops that you're using, please, you can use them. It does not break your fast. If you have an infection in the hair and they recommended you to use some ear drops, or you have an infection in the eye and eye drop is actually recommended, you can take them. It does not break your fast. So these are drugs that you can actually take while fasting. It does not break your fast. Thank you for joining me in today's video. All right, we'll still continue the series about fasting and medications. It's still about your mental health. Everything is still centered on your mental health. Remember, to be mentally healthy is to be totally healthy. Thank you. If you have not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.